Hello everyone, it's Dr. Desiree Alexander, aka Educator Alexander, and here's your 5-minute tip for this week. Don't forget to click that thumbs up button to like this video and subscribe to the channel. So in this video, I want to show you how to use the reading list and how to use group and color coordinate your tabs. So let's get started. So this is your reading list right here, and if you click it, it'll tell you is to save a page for later. Click the bookmark icon. So you're really bookmarking, but you're putting it all in your reading list. Let me show you how you would do that and why. So if I'm here, I can either right click on the tab and add it to my reading list, or when I come here to the little bookmark icon, I can add to reading list. Either way does the exact same thing. So when I add it to the reading list, it you see how I put that little symbol right there to tell me, hey, you have some unread stuff in that reading list. I can come here and now I see that I have this tab here and it'll open it for me. Notice the little icon is gone because now it's under pages you have read. So it's a very quick way to bookmark something, but you may not want it on your bookmark tab, and you may want to kind of give yourself a reminder that you need to do something with those pages. Now, if you don't want the reading list at all, if you just come here to your bookmark bar, you can actually right click and at the bottom, notice the things that you can uncheck. So you can uncheck the apps shortcut now. You can uncheck reading list and bookmark bar all together. So I'm going to uncheck reading list, and you see that the whole reading list goes away if you need some more space on your bookmark bar. Next, if I want to group tabs, so I know people that have 5,000 million tabs open. Let's start grouping those tabs and saving some space and getting a little bit more organized. So if I come and right click on the tab, it will say add to new group. I don't have any groups right now, so that's why that's my only option. If I click on it, I want to use all 4 of these websites for projects. So I'm going to call it project. And I'm going to choose a handy dandy color. Beautiful. So now I'm going to come to the next one, and it can be one before it doesn't matter. Now I'm going to come to the next one. I'm going to right click, and it says add tab to group, new group, or project. So it actually lists the ones. So I'm going to add that. Another way you can add it is by dragging it into the group. There you go. And then what you can do, the whole point of this, besides the color coordination, which is awesome, is that I can now click on this word project, and they all went under project. So when I want to show them again, I can click it, and now it shows me all of those. If I don't even need this whole word, I can come here and go to add tab to group. I'm going to create a new group, but I'm not going to give it a name. I'm just going to give it a color. So notice now it's just the color. So if I come and click on this dot, it's going to go just underneath the color. So you don't even have to have a word there if you don't want to. Now, one thing that I did, recognize, and I want to just let you know, if I go ahead and get out of this tab right here, notice that project automatically shows all of them. So if you don't have a tab open to the right, then you can't collapse it. So just keep that in mind. Like if I get rid of this, you see how it automatically comes up, and if I click project, it won't let me collapse it. So I actually have to have an open tab to collapse it. So just keep that in mind. It's nothing you're doing. That's just the way it works. And if I want to bring it through, there you go. So congratulations. You now know how to use the reading list, how to get rid of the reading list, and how to group and color coordinate your tabs. Good luck.